DJI Mavic Mini Care Refresh for free. We're giving away 2 of them. Who won? Hi, my name's Ash from DroningON, and we did offer to give away 2 DJI Mavic Care Refresh contracts for free for the Mavic Mini. And in this video, we're gonna announce the winners. So without any delay, let's do it right now. So since the video aired, we've had 135 comments or entries, which actually is not a lot. And it just shows how easy it can be to actually win one of these giveaways. People quite often don't bother even trying to enter because they don't think they'll win. But 2 people are going to win today, and let's choose them. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this, which is a random comment picker. I'm going to paste the video URL into there and then click load comments. Here we go, 135 comments in total. And then once it's loaded, there we go, the comments are all in. We're going to now randomly pick our first winner. So here we go. And the first winner I'd love to win, correctly written, is David Lavulo. Let's have a quick look at his YouTube channel. Sorry for my pronunciation there, David. He's got a few videos here, clearly loves his drones because I can see some drones as a DJI Mavic controller. So congratulations, you are our first winner. And the next winner is Francis Roy. I'd love to win, correctly written. Let's have a look at your YouTube profile. Congratulations, Francis. Your YouTube channel has quite a lot on it actually. 614 subscribers, good work there. Lots of random videos. Well, you are our second winner. Congratulations to you both. And details on how to claim the prize are next. So congratulations to you guys. Please send us an email to ash@droningon.co and we'll process your prize. Just as a bit of supplementary information, we did put out a video about the Mavic Mini issue descending uncontrolled. Now, since we put out that video, we've had hundreds of comments. Sadly to see quite a lot of them claiming the same issue. And it just demonstrates why having something like Care Refresh is really important. Now, clearly, if it drops into the sea, you're in trouble because Care Refresh does require you to still have the drone. So it's important that if you do lose that drone, recover it because then Care Refresh will cover you. Now, if you didn't win this giveaway, Care Refresh is so cheap for the Mavic Mini. You would be silly not to have it anyway. Click the link in the video description below and that will take you to the Care Refresh page where you can check if you're still eligible to be able to buy it. But as I said, you'd be silly not to if you've just bought the Mavic Mini. Anyway, congratulations again to the winners. If you want more giveaways, we're going to be doing loads from now on. So click that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up and comment below to say what you'd like to see given away next. Thanks very much for watching.